Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, chapter 7. The name of the lesson, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The tale means story. The story of the Peter Rabbit. In the story about a naughty Peter Rabbit. Now let us start now the lesson. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. Little means the small rabbits and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Here now look at the pictures. There were 4 little rabbits. They were named Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. And Peter mother. There were 4 little rabbits. How many rabbits now? The 4 little rabbits named Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Now Peter, be careful. I am going to the market. Stay with your sisters and do go to Mr. Grago's garden. Now, Peter, be careful. The Peter's mother tell no, the Peter, I am going to the market. She tell no, I am going to the market. You stay with your sisters. The Peter's sisters. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, the Peter's sisters. You stay with your sisters. Don't go to the Mr. Gregor's garden. Now, the Peter was very naughty, but the Peter was a very naughty. Naughty means the mischief. The Peter was a very naughty misbehavior. The very naughty rabbit. But very soon the Peter went to have just a look at Mr. Grago's garden. Oh, but the Peter mother tell no, don't go to the Mr. Grago's garden. But the Peter go to the Mr. Grago's garden. The Peter went to have just a look at the Mr. Grago's garden. Oh, just look at that lettuce and the carrots. They looks so delicious. The Peter just look at lettuce and the carrots. Lettuce means here no, look at the pictures. ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಎಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, green leaves, the lettuce and the carrots. They look so delicious. Carrots and lettuce was so look very delicious, very tasty. The Peter go to the Mr. Grago's garden. And Peter forgot all about Mother's rabbit's warning. The Peter forgot all about Mother Rabbit's warning. The Peter mother tell no, don't go to the Mr. Grago's garden. But the Peter go to the Mr. Grago's garden. He squeezed into the garden. The Peter, he squeezed into the garden. The Peter grabbed the carrots and started eating them. The Peter grabbed the carrots and started eating them. The Peter eating the carrots. They are so delicious. They are very tasty. The Peter rabbit no, here no, look at the pictures. Eat the let's eat no, the Peter rabbit. And after some time, I have had enough carrots. I will try some radishes now. The Peter eat no, the carrots. After try some radishes now. After eat no radishes. As Peter came around the corner, he bumped into Mr. Gregor's. Oops! What is Rabbit doing in my garden? Mr. Gregor's is farmer is saying, "No, what is Rabbit doing in my garden?" See the Mr. Gregor's. See no, the Peter Rabbit eating the radishes and carrots. What is Rabbit doing in my garden? Say the Mr. Gregor. Mr. Gregor was very angry. He chased Peter with a rake. Mr. Gregor was very angry and chased the Peter with rake. It means here no, the Peter Rabbit here the run and chased the Mr. Gregor. "I am sorry," the Mr. Gregor. "I will never steal again. I never steal again. Get out of my garden, you thief." The Mr. Gregor say no. Get out of my garden, you thief. Thief means no about no thief. ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್ ದ thief. Unfortunately, the Peter ran into a gooseberry net. Unfortunately, the Peter ran into a gooseberry net. The Peter Rabbit ran into the Mr. Gregor chased the Peter Rabbit. The Peter ran into a gooseberry net. And ouch! It hurts. It hurts. The Peter Rabbit ran into gooseberry net, and the Peter managed to free himself from the net, but he lost his blue jacket. The Peter Rabbit lost his blue jacket. Here no, where the blue jacket, the Peter Rabbit, and after, but he lost his blue jacket. "Oh no, I have lost my favorite jacket. I will not get it back again. I will not get back again." The blue jacket is lost his blue jacket. The Peters wear the blue jacket no, the lost the blue jacket. Soon the Mr. Gregor came up with a sheep which he almost placed on top of a Peter. Almost placed on top of a Peter. "You naughty rabbit, got you." The farmer tell no Mr. Gregor, "You naughty rabbit, got you." Peter narrowly escaped and ran into the tool shed. The Peter escaped and ran into the tool shed. He saw a water can, jumped into it. The Peter saw a water can and jumped into it. "Oh no, I can't hide in this can." Hide means ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. "Oh no, I can't hide in this can. It is full of water." Why? No, the full of water. Can ತುಂಬ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ such a good place. The Peter say no, but it was such a good place to hide in. The good place to hide in. Now Mr. Gregor came into the tool shed. He started to look for Peter. Mr. Gregor looked the Peter underneath flower pot. Underneath a flower pot. Here no, the flower pot. The looked for Peter. He started. The Mr. Gregor started look for the Peter underneath flower pot. Where did the rabbit go? Mr. Gregor said, "Where did the rabbit go? I am sure he is hiding somewhere under these flower pots." The Mr. Gregor said, "No, I am sure The Peter is hiding somewhere under these flower pots. Suddenly the Peter sneezed. Suddenly the Peter sneezed. Kritsko! It ran again and knocked off my flower pots. I can't go through the window and I am too tired. I gave up. Mr. Gragus, the Peter, it ran again and knocked off my flower pots. I can't go through the window and I am too tired. I give up. I must escape, the Peter. I must escape right now. I will jump out of the window. The Peter jumped out of the window. Mr. Grago went back into his garden. After Mr. Grago back to his garden, and Peter, scared and sad, rushed home. Scared means ಹೆದರೋದು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ. Scared and sad rushed home. He kept running and never stopped or looked behind him till he got home. The Peter kept running and never stopped running. He looked behind him till he got home. The Peter finally reached the home. At home, he cried and told his mother what had happened. The mother tell no what had happened. The Peter is cried and it's all right, Peter. Now be a good boy and take some rest. I'm sorry, mother. I promise I will always listen to you and will never be naughty. The mother say no, it's all right, Peter. Now be a good boy. And take some rest. Finally the Peter Rabbit reached the home and the mother tell no, you are a good boy and take some rest. Thank you, children. You learn and write now the underlined words and read this lesson. Thank you.